Hi, today I'm going to show you how to operate the navigation window inside of AccuRIP. So to get started, I'm already logged into the software, and all we have to do is click this little arrow that we see here, and this is going to open or close the space-saving slide-out tray just like that. Now you can see that I have my current print job displayed here inside of the Proof Positive preview. Now, if I want to zoom in and take a look at a specific area, I can do that with the zoom tool located here, and I can simply click where I want to go, or I can go straight to the highest level of detail with the max zoom tool by simply clicking on it there. Now, this is where the navigation window shows its power, because if I want to check out a different area, I can simply grab this little green box that we see here and drag it around to different areas, like this spot here, for example, or even down here to this spot here. So with this tool, I can never get lost while zoomed in to proof a file. Happy printing.